Hello friends, welcome to Savvijay. Today we are going to learn Bengan Bharta recipe, a famous cuisine in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Bengan Bharta is a traditional Indian curry particularly famous in rural India. Urban Indians who grew up eating this curry in their rural homes will swear by its heavenly taste and drive long distances to restaurants who prepare and serve it well. This authentic recipe uses cooked spices to make a deliciously mild spicy Bengan Bharta. The important ingredient required to prepare is big brinjal available in markets, and I'll see how to prepare this easily at home. First we'll see ingredients required to prepare. We need 1 large brinjal, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger garlic, 2 green chili finely chopped, 2 tablespoons green onion finely chopped, optional, and 2 tomatoes chopped, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, optional, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, optional, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon sugar, and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, and 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Now see directions to prepare. The ultimate taste of this dish lies in perfect selection of brinjals. Choose big, round, oval-shaped brinjal for this recipe. Don't choose very hard brinjal. And slit each side a little on the surface of the brinjal using knife or a poke brinjal at multiple places using fork. This will provide a steam to escape from brinjal when it's getting roasted. Apply some oil over the surface of brinjal using a brush. Place it on a burner. Roast it on a direct flame. When the skin of brinjal turns black and starts to separate from inner layer, turn it on other side. Keep turning the brinjal to cook it evenly. When all surface turns black and flaky and the brinjal becomes soft, turn off the heat. Now when you take out from stove, immediately keep under running water and then let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool completely to room temperature. And then after that, peel outer skin, and after that once again I prefer to wash under running water. Wash out the small skin pieces remained over on brinjal. Now mash up the flesh using a spatula and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add chopped onion and salt until it turns light brown. Add chopped ginger garlic paste and green onion, chopped green chilies. Set it over medium heat for a minute. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook until tomatoes become soft. Add turmeric powder, garam masala and red chili powder and mix well. And cook it for 2 minutes. After tomatoes cook well, Mix mashed brinjal, sugar, lemon juice and salt and cook over medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. You can avoid lemon juice if you don't like, and sugar also. If you like to add sweet, then only you add sugar, otherwise you can skip this sugar. Now turn off flame and garnish with the coriander leaves. So North Indian and Gujarati Bengan Bharta with cooked spices is very much ready to serve now. So tasty and a spicy recipe. Flavorful taste of a roasted brinjal with the cooked vegetables and spices. Serve it with chapati or a steamed rice, and it tastes delicious with bajra roti, curd, buttermilk, onion and a jaggery in dinner. An authentic village meal. So very much everybody will be liking it. So homemade food always tastes good, and family members love to have it. So prepare it and enjoy the Gujarati recipe. This big brinjals will be available in markets, so try for this and have a wonderful authentic village food at home on any day with your family. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.